Y'all love y'all some TEMU weed. Now this right here is a and ever since the day you put my heart in motion, I've been going for a minute now. I'm back. It's to jump off. You wear these lashes for a night at club such and such. We gotta get this little Sunday school bump up out of here. This is revival.
Don't even do it.
You put this on if you have plans to shout or fight, okay?
Don't be out here fighting because that's ugly, but...
Oh no, man. Ooh, y'all got to see the vision now. For the vision is only for a while. This winter conference, this vacation Bible school. Hey, cause hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slate today. Hey, to you with a slate today.
Let the church say subscribe.
What's going on, y'all? Y'all have been asking since the first one I did for another one, so I'm bringing it to you. TEMU. Y'all love y'all some TEMU weed. So I got some more for you. Now we're gonna go ahead and get this out the way. I need to go ahead and say this. TEMU now went on and threw some other things in this bag for me to test out. I'ma just TEMU. Let me just show y'all real quick. I don't know who they think finna win this right here, but bless their heart. Some children. You can use this for a children's party or something. And got the nerve to have some little Senegalese twists in there to make it a design. You know what? Since you put it in the box, I'm gonna go ahead and so the children can see how their little ponytails gonna look for the children's party. Now this is what your baby's little ponytail's gonna look like when they come for the birthday party. They can play hairstylist. Oh, they got different colors. Okay, I see. We about to style this. And it comes with the stretchy already attached to it. See, that's another feature. Y'all gotta think outside the box. One more. Honey, they sent me little Christmas color clips. Got the nerve to be soft. We're gonna have us a little bang. We'll do red and then white. Clip that in there. Bam. This how your baby's hair gonna look when y'all get this and they play little hairstylist. Well, I don't know, not these chaps nowadays, honey. They can braid with the best of them, can't they? A Christmas bang. Bam. There you go. Get it for your babies and their little birthday parties. That's all I can tell you about this. Okay?
You have now reached my inner thoughts. Download the TEMU app through my link below, and you can get a $100 coupon bundle for free. Or you can search my code in the TEMU search bar in order to claim that. All right? In the church, say amen. Okay, bye.
Yo, we was, listen. Okay, food line bag. That's pretty much where we are with this. I see it's a bang bob wig. Hey, it's a bang. I love bang bob wigs. You really can't go too wrong unless the wig itself is just terrible. The fibers, the hair, the density, that type of stuff. It's 10 inches. Boop. Boom. These lashes right here, you wear these lashes for a night at club such and such. Okay, these are the ones you wear when you go in the club such and such. We got the wig cap, but I'm gonna put my wig grip cap on. Y'all already know what time it is, and you know where you can find it. Know where you can find it. Hold a minute. Y'all know my little teaspoon is growing, so.
My little teaspoon growing.
Y'all know that. Bam. Bam. It's nothing. Now, you put this on if you have plans to shout or fight, okay?
Don't be out here fighting because that's ugly, but...
You know, you protecting yourself, something like that. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. Let's see about this weed. It's coming with some highlights. Okay. It feels cool. The feel is absolutely fine. Now the top, you remember when we first learned how to make closures and we would take the track, come on, because you want my face so bad. Get this wig. There it is. We would take the track and wrap it around with the glue and press it down and run it over with the flat iron. 2 combs off to the side with pride, 1 off in the back. So in wig terms, my head is on the smaller side. My domology is a 21.5, which is on the small side for wigs. My head is small.
But my forehead is loud and proud. I don't know.
This should be easy breezy, y'all. This really shouldn't be a issue. Ooh, nice and snug. You can show. Okay, it might be human. It might be human. We got to get this little Sunday school bump up out of here. Honey, this is revival. Get that little tight Sunday school curl up out of there. Vacation Bible school bump out of there. Oh yeah, this human hair, y'all, because this is 425. And it definitely would have melted. You see that? This is winter conference. This vacation Bible school. You got to determine for your life. A lot of people don't know that. You got to press it differently when you go to winter conference. Vacation Bible school is here now. Vacation Bible school is here. Did y'all have a song that y'all came into for vacation Bible school?
We had one.
These vacation Bible school bumps out of here. Oh, that's so much better. And that, honey, it's a piece of hair, man. That color is fly. Honey, we went a conference now, Chad. All we need is, honey, this little closure up here is on my last good nerve, but that's all right. That's all right. Shouldn't nobody be at the top of your head, no way. Now, you could trim these bangs if you want to. Everybody don't like long, ignorant bangs, but I do. Bam. What we think about wig number 1? Oh, yes. It's nothing. Chad, I've been sitting here thinking I was recording this whole time. Honey, I done talked about this wig. Oh, y'all. Let me just move on before I get upset with myself. This is a standard headband wig, which I had already said this. It's good and cute, and it feels really, really good. As I had explained before, but apparently I was explaining it to myself. I'm just going to use the standard black headband because this wig, it did not come with an extra headband, y'all. So let me just show y'all. Bam. Again. 2 combs in. Again. Straight up. Very easy. That's it. Let me see. Let me comb through these waves and see. So you got to take your time with this, honey, because say you don't want to. Oh, yeah, that is pretty. I love how the curls, when you comb through it, they just become good and full and wavy and ignorant. Look at the difference. I love how these curls transform when you comb through them. If y'all don't run to the store with this wig, you can run to the post office right now. It's nothing.
Your hair's done.
Huh? Did y'all see that? Y'all, that is so cute. I think this is so convenient, y'all. I have 0 complaints about this. Now, it feels like a nice synthetic. That's what it feels like. Not Barbie thetic, not ignorant thetic, not thetic. Just thetic, okay? It's thetic, but it's not thetic. Y'all know what I'm saying? Look at the bounce. Look. Bounce with me, bounce with me, bounce with me, bounce with me. How you gonna get around on your bus pass? Is that what she said? I was on the bus many years before I got my first car. Many. I had to go across town to get to hair school, y'all. I had to go all the way across town to get to hair school, and I did. Yeah, I literally have no complaints. Cute, very easy. Next. I know what you're thinking. Yes, this is a whole nother day. Yes, this is a whole nother slide. Yes, this is the rest of the video. My camera wasn't cameraing. Now I'm back, okay?
Stepping.
You think it's on it, dude? I had to stop for a minute. I've been going for a minute, now I'm back. It's the jump off. Okay, y'all. Okay, sure. Now, this one, so this one is going to be for the convenience of it all. Because you know you need wig for convenience now. food line. Now this right here is a, come on, man. Ah. This is a hat braid. Now this is for when you just finna run to CVS real quick to get your blank Christmas card. That's it, okay? That's what this is. Now, don't y'all. Now y'all got to see the vision now. For the vision is only for a while. Look, now these are nice. Look at these twists. These are twisted up real good and delicately. Yes. Hold a minute, y'all. And ever since the day you put my heart in motion, baby, I'm in love with it. Just know you. Now, I'm gonna just pull this up in the bike. I just got so much. Okay, now let's throw this on. You gotta look at the back of it. Sometimes that's an open space, so sometimes these hats don't work. They don't work it out. You see? They have the braids to cover that little hole. Okay, they've been working on these type of wigs because when these wigs first came out, ooh, the deception, discreet. That's a little snug right here at the side, but got a little side with pride. But let me just now have your ear tabs together now, so it can look like you really about that braid life. See, people not supposed to realize. If somebody realizes it, then you have failed, okay? See, people not supposed to realize. Hold on. Because I can ear tab with the best of them. You see that? Bam. It's nothing. Now this, y'all know I got a ponytail back here, so don't be judging it based off this little hump that you see back here, okay? Don't do that. Y'all done sat up here and watched this video. Now, would y'all run to CVS with this? Huh? You know CVS has self-checkouts now. You know that, don't you? If your dome is blessed and highly favored, now this is good for me, though. You can run to CVS with that? You can't? Can you? This how you be in the mirror when you're trying to see? That's the fact. If you make that. You're supposed to be smooth with it. You're supposed to be like, ah. If you don't do it like that,
Don't even do it.
it's out of your, it's a way you're supposed to check the bag. People don't know that. It's a what? Now, hold on now. It's a little tag right there. Y'all, I throw this on and run to the post office. Y'all want to throw this on and run to UPS real quick. I'll go right over to FedEx with this on. Yeah. You might have to cut that tag off, okay? Just act like that's not open. What y'all think? I believe this thing was like $13 or something. It was cheap. Y'all ain't all the way mad at this. And on that note, boo, what we thinking? Does it serve a purpose or no?
Some of y'all so sedated, y'all ain't gonna let it serve a purpose. Y'all gonna be like, no, I ain't gonna.
Next. La. Girl, you better warm up. One more. Y'all, listen now. You say what you want to. This ain't no bad deal right here. Hey, if they start making these hats with different sizes for different, don't mind little G's. Hey. All right, y'all. One more. Let me see, TEMU. Where you at with it? Oh, this is a headband wig. Now, these are faux locks. Faux, F-A-U-X. Y'all, I put a video on TikTok. Honey, I said box braid wig, and everybody thought I said fox braid, and they thought I was trying to say faux, but said fox. Honey, my TikTok cousins tried to do me. I said no. Turn the caption on and see what I said. I said box braid. And they was like, fuck, girl, it's faux. I was like, I know that. And plus, I didn't even say fox.
I said box.
Now, my TikTok cousins, that's why y'all go mess around and be in the back of the fellowship hall for the reunion. Now, don't. Don't you do me. I'm gonna just get these edges cleaned up. Now, you know you don't have to do this. You do not, and it will look just as beautiful and just as natural and everything. Matter of fact, it probably will look even more natural if you don't do it. If you just let your light shine. Let your edges do what they're gonna do. Okay? It probably will look even more natural. So do what it is that you want to do. Let me put this black cap on. Okay, I'm gonna pull it back. I may have it about right there. This is the wig. Faux locks with curly end. Bam. Now, these are synthetic. They're very soft. It's aesthetic, but it's not ignorant Barbie aesthetic. It didn't come up the rough side of the mountain, okay? It started to, though, but it came on back down. All right. Now, hey, they're not doing Velcro at the back of their headband wigs. They're doing like the bra strap type of connector. Bam. I'm going to put mine on the snuggest one because my head is smiggle. 1, 2, 3. Let me throw this on and see. And I put the thing on beforehand, the little strap clasp in the back, because I don't know if I can do it behind my head like that. Because I can't even do my bras in the back. I have to turn it to the front and do it.
I need to grow up, don't I?
I wore sports bras a lot. I called myself an athlete back in the day. So I was just used to it. And I'm still used to it. But every once in a while, I be trying to turn it. You know what I'm saying? I be trying to be cute with my husband sometimes. And he don't care about none of it. Child, I be so mad going through all the things. He be like, baby, you can take all. He don't care nothing about it, Jesus. He don't care nothing about none of it. Now, when we get 82 and you trying to spice stuff up, don't say nothing now. Don't come to me about no spice. You can throw this on and go. This is clearly a throw on and go. It's exactly what I would imagine it to be. This is absolutely a Target run wig. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. No problem with it. Let me just do it because they sent it. But honey, this is it.
This is it.
Whew, no problems. We on the way to Publix right now. Bam. Harris Teeter right up the street. Boom. Your babies want to see the lobsters in the little tank. Head on up there to Lowe's. Bam. Whoop de whoop. It's over with. No problem with this wig. I'm even finna sit up here and see what this do. I ain't got no problem with it. Ooh, you're not going to Target like this. I would. No. Bam. Wig for what y'all think. What y'all think? What y'all think? I'm gonna have fun with TEMU. Make sure you check out the links in the description box for these wigs. And we doing this again, baby. Cause I'm liking it. It's a lot you can do with this wig. Oh, yeah. Let me know what you think about these in the comments, alright?